Eric. This is my brother Adik.
Hey!
Say hi, Adik.
Hi.
This activity is called paper spinner.
Okay,
We need for this activity is 8 color pencils. Different colors, okay? Anything you want. And then a normal pencil, a glue stick, and a string. Anything that is circle. And a piece of cardboard. And finally, the scale, paper, and scissors. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to draw a circle. No, another one. I said another one because I'm doing a spinner for my brother too. Got it. Then we need to cut it. I have my cardboard circles. This is the one. Here you go. Now we need to put the circle in the paper, on the paper with pencil. Got it. Alex, show yours. Now we need to draw the colors here. Okay, I got red. You can use any color pencils and any pattern if you like. Drawing. Alex, say it.
Money drawing.
Now we need to glue the cardboard circle and the paper circle like this. That's good. Can I take glue, Adik?
Oh no.
Can I take glue, Adik? Thank you. Poke 2 holes on the center of the circle. Even on to the cardboard, okay? Got one. Wow, it's so big. Next one. Got 2 big holes. Now we need to put the string to one of the holes. We need to tie it. Spinner is done. Let's play with it. Oh my God. Look at that. Whoa. This is so cool. Do like this. And
Bye.
See? Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Ring a bell so next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.